Welcome to Typeset.
My name is Ed, and I'm currently getting my 1960 sailboat ready to depart for Hawaii and beyond. This is just basically an intro video. I will go more into detail about lots of things as I keep going. That being said, with the political climate, I am a trans man. Won't go too much into that in this video. You can ask me more about it, and if it's appropriate, I will respond. If not, I'll just delete it. Typeset and this whole channel is very visible, very welcome. Everyone is welcome here. This channel has no room for bullying either. Visibility, though, is very important, especially in times of darkness. We should still be able to pursue our dreams. I am currently recovering from a work injury. It's slow progress and life, and with how things are, I feel the most secure in going on a very long voyage. I am heading out. June 11th is the initial window that I'm aiming for. If all goes well, I will, instead of stopping in Hawaii, I will just continue down towards Point Nemo, and then continue on past Cape Horn, then around Antarctica, and then back up into the South Pacific, and just stay south of Hawaii. So I have gathered up all of my resources, and I have put it into this fantastic sailboat. It is a pretty beat up West Coast Triton. She was mostly gutted when I got her. I do have a lot of projects to do in a very small amount of time. I don't know if you can see some of the lists I have going. Drop a comment if you have a question, or subscribe, follow. That's gonna do it for now. Fair winds, my friends.